In this video, I would like to show you how to download and install the Microsoft Power BI desktop tool on your PC. Before we can start installing the Power BI desktop, we need to download at first the installation file for Microsoft Power BI desktop. By searching it, we can directly jump to the Power BI desktop web URL, and then we are on the Microsoft page where we can download it for free directly. This click opens the Microsoft store directly, but by choosing See Download or Language options, we can choose different languages for your purpose. I did it already for English. That means if you choose a language here, you can click on download, and then the download starts automatically based on your language selection here. In the bottom, you will also find some details regarding downloads, regarding system requirements, and also other install instructions if you would like to have a deeper look into it here. You see the latest version is from 10th of January this year, and I downloaded it already. By double click the downloaded file, the system rereads the necessary information. Then we can choose the language again. I will use English. Click on Next, and you need to have administrator rights to install it. Installation will be prepared. You need to accept the terms of the license agreement. I leave the file folder as it is suggested. I would like to create also a desktop shortcut, and by clicking install, the system will install it automatically by copying some files, upgrading some component, and then copying new files. It should not take so much time. It depends on your system. How long does it take? But I think we are nearly finished here. What I can do already is close some. You see here the Power BI desktop icon is already there. And now you see the installation is completed, and by leave this as checked, after finish, the Microsoft Power BI desktop will be launched automatically. And now we have the Power BI desktop tool successfully installed, and in my further videos I will show you how to use it. Thank you. Bye.